Welcome back. Today we're going to show you a very advanced combination and very long combination. The 1, 1, 2, block, 2, 3, 2, block, 5, 2, 3, roll, shift, and then we're going to finish that off with a 1, 1, 2. Let's break this down into different segments. What I guys want you to do is start off with that 1, 1, 2, and then block that oncoming left hook. After you guys perfect that, we're going to come back with a 2, 3, and 2. After, we're going to block a body shot to our left side, and we're going to counter back with a 5, 2, and 3. After the 3 is thrown, you want to roll to your left, shift your weight and angle, and we're going to finish off with that 1, 1, and 2. I know this is a long combination, so first break down the first phase, the second phase, the third phase, and 4. Perfect each one, then put everything together. Be patient. Make sure your hands are up, your eyes are on your opponent, and you have enough spacing in your feet, and you're in that right boxing stance. Remember to keep practicing, and thank you guys for watching, and that's how you throw. The 1, 1, 2, block, 2, 3, 2, block, 5, 2, 3, roll, shift, 1, 1, and 2.